So Deep will be presenting how migrating to a new platform and integrating AI transcription has transformed their contact center. Deep is the head of IT at ServiceFoods New Zealand. Really looking forward to hearing more about it, because you may not know a lot about ServiceFoods, the company. So Deep Purohit, as I said, he's the head of IT at ServiceFoods Limited. He's a highly accomplished IT professional with extensive experience in designing, implementing, and managing complex IT infrastructures. Without further ado, let's have Deep come forward for his presentation. About 1 p.m. 5. You're okay to finish there?
Yeah, let's try to.
Thanks very much.
Yeah. So, kia ora, good afternoon now, guys, and we'll try to finish as soon as possible. I know you guys are waiting for your lunch, so.
We're interested to hear.
Yeah. So today we'll talk about that how at ServiceFoods we change our contact centers from cost center to profit centers, right? So that's we are all doing business because we are looking for money, right? So it's all about money, and I'm going to talk about that only. So who we are, right? So we are food distributor. We are New Zealand's one of the largest food distributor, and we have state-of-art facilities all around the New Zealand, around 16 warehouses, branches, and also impactful communication hubs. So what does that mean is we do have contact center on each and every branch independent, so they can give local support to the local chefs. Also, we try to focus as best support we can to our customer service team. And yeah, we are, as our tagline says, we are behind every great chef, so we have to be best as well to support them. So just quick introduction, just small thing about myself. So I'm tech enthusiast. Also, innovation is in my blood. I just since I have been studying, I've been looking for innovation and things like that. Just completed recently a post graduation in AI ML as well, and like to explore world and try to find out what they have done better and then implement it in our business. So what are we going to talk about today, right? So yes, I have shown you video about our story. Now we'll go to challenges, how we solve the challenge, how we implemented, and what future looks like in our case. Challenges. So insufficient contact management. So one of the biggest challenge we had is that we had too many different platforms like ERP, Outlook, contact center, CRM, and customer service team had to go each and every individual platform to look for anything. If customer calls, they have to go through all this platform at one time. So that was quite a bit of hassle. Another challenge we had is call volumes, right? So we have around 14,000 customers, 18,000 products. And if you imagine that those are chefs and they place order every day with us, right? So yes, we do have e-commerce platform. Many of them place that on over the e-commerce. However, if you can imagine into the at the point of view of chef, they are serving the customers, and at the end of their shift they will go into their kitchen and they will be like, okay, I'm missing this item, this item, this item, now I have to place the order. They are already frustrated, their shift is finished and they have to place the order. We try to make their life as easy as possible, frictionless in our from our side. So we are trying in our contact center. Our contact center's 90% job is taking orders. 10% is also fix ups, right? So that's the big volume game we are playing over here. And we are also 24/7, because if you can imagine that chefs finish their shift at 10 p.m. at night, by 11 they place the order, and 5 a.m. in the morning we start delivering to the customers, right? Because they need, for imagine that you are going to cafe or something and you don't get your coffee in the morning, right? So because we haven't delivered milk in the morning, right? So yeah, that's a volume challenge we do have. Another challenge for our customers was that that when they call us, we transfer to, okay, I'll transfer to meat department, fish department, and produce department. Different kind of challenges were there, right? So we try to eliminate that by implementing the solutions here. Yeah. So solution what we needed, right? So we needed intelligent automation, unified platform, predictive analysis, and smart routing. That solves all our challenges, which we have seen previously on this slide. So now let's look into it, that how we solved it, right? So what we have done over here. So over here, we have done a agent augment. I'll just go through and read it. Probably that's better. Agent augmentation and support that empowers our representative to with guidelines. So what they can do, for example, uh, I would say that one chef calls us, right? And then every day in the morning, every time they call us, they say, okay, I want tomato. But we have 23 types of tomatoes, right? What type of tomato they want, right? So, and you imagine any new agent comes, or agent won't remember 14,000 customers, what they expect, what type of tomatoes they expect from us. So what we look into is we just look into their histories and use a machine learning model over here to give recommendation that this is the best option. Also, we try to prioritize our products, right? So home brand products that, okay, try to sell this product. So it helps CSR, customer service, on cross sell, upsell on all those opportunity as well, right? So we give those kind of information automatically to our reps. That way they get all customer information ready, available, and fast to place the order. Then another challenge we had, which we have seen, that different platforms. So with omni-channel, we solve that as well. Voice, we got the voice solution, we got email solution, we got omni-channel. I just forgot about telling to tell you that one of the thing we do have is that we still have customers who sends us fax, right? So they send us fax, SMS, voicemails, calls, right? So all different type of things. So that's why omni-channel is very important for us. We don't want to go to different place and look for those information. So that helps us a lot. Also, when we do the omni-channel, one of the thing, like we do have a contact center solution which does transcribe our which does transcribe as well. So when we are giving when we are giving it to customer service, they do have transcription, so they can look into the thing, okay, what are the item customer wants, right? So not only dependent on voice, because as you can imagine that we do deal with all type of customers, like some Asians, European, Indians, everyone is ordering with us, right? Different type of restaurant, they do have different accents and things like that. So yes, we do use transcription services, which helps us into finding what's the right product for the for us for the customer. Then another thing we use is service analytics and optimization. Yes, this is quite common, but we never had it, so we do look into that data and analyze that data and optimize the how we can help customer faster and faster. Yeah. So now that we have seen that how we helped our customer service representative to help our customer and get better and faster result. Now, how we can help our manager, right? So team leader, manager, how to manage it. So they can go and look into the current optimization and give the suggestion that, okay, you have done this so far, we have this routing, it seems like we have to change the routing by looking the data analytics and all those things, and they can quickly go and change the change routing as well. Real-time service monitoring, yes, this is very important for any team lead or manager on the contact center, because you can quickly look into what's happening with what's happening right now, so they can look what agents are live, do they need it, or they can utilize them for other purposes like telesales or something like that. Continuous service improvement, yes, it helps us identify that, okay, we have already we are doing real-time monitoring, but we have to improve our services as well. So we take that data, use that data to improve the services, continuous improvement. Customer interaction capture, yes, as I said, that we do voice recording, transcript analysis as well. So we take the transcript, analyze that transcript to help our management to identify the issues and things like that. Yeah. Okay. So what are the benefits we got out of this ones, right? So operational benefit, significant reduction in order processing cost. So I would say that we have reduced our customer service team from 60 to 30. And 30%, so 50% staff, we have utilized that staff now into telesales team. So we start making money out of it. So what initially I said, cost center to profit center. So by doing this, all this task, we have reduced the cost by 50% and now started making money out of it. Yes, effective handling after our inquiries without additional staff. As I said before, that we are 24/7. Yes, but we take our customer service team support until 11 p.m. only, and they finishes their shift at midnight. After that, nobody is there, so we need to give that. Still, we have many customer calls us after that as well. However, we have service levels with them that we can't deliver in early in the morning, but we still deliver at midday onwards to them. So we have to make sure that we tackle those queries as well. So yes, we get quite a bit of voicemails. Our chefs have a habit of calling us and goes to their freezer and storage and check what is not there, and they say 10 kg potato, one bag of this, two bag of this, and then they just drop the call. So that, yes, we have got that voicemails coming in, we transcribe that voicemails, and then we get basically we get that data and key those order. Yes, we also listen it. Transcription is not 100% perfect, still needs to be improved, obviously, but it helps quite a bit. So, and it can be in like timed transcription, so you can click on that, you can go there and listen that much only, instead of wasting whole, like if they have put 3 minutes order, then don't need to listen whole 3 minutes, just go where there is item. So that's how we are helping them, technology perspective. Then faster response time, as I said, that we can go and look into transcripts and things like that, so we can respond them very fast, as well as it's on all on one channel, so they have to look into only one place to do anything, even customers data, everything is one place, central location, so they don't have to go different channel. It increase their speed. So that's how we have reduced the staff. Also we have another thing we have done is automation on this process, is that we look into the transcripts, as well as many orders. We know that customers send the email, and we know that, okay, when they have written in email tomato, then we know that which tomato they are talking about, cherry tomato or things like that. So we have utilized AI model plus machine learning to optimize it and just automatically create the order for them. So all customer service has to do is just click the button and it will go into the order. So that that increases the speed and number of staff required. Lower call abandon rates. Yes, obviously, when everything is one place and monitored properly, and you can see wallboards and everything, you can uh, reduce abandon rates. Fewer order errors, because now machine is doing some work for you, so human makes less error, because it helps human to solve that problem. So yes, I'm not telling that we are getting rid of staff or anything, but yes, it helps human to solve do less issues. We have reduced quite a bit of credits in our business by doing this. More accurate demand forecasting. The demand forecasting in not in terms of supply chain, in terms of how much staff or the you will require, right? So it's easy to identify when you get the more data, and AI. It's not AI, it's BI, but it's just it just gives you the outcome that what you will need when. Increase customer touch points across all channels. Yes, as omni-channel, we have increased the touch points. What team got benefit out of it, right? So more time, complex accommodations. So what happens that so far the customer, they were focusing on orders only, right? So orders we are going to get it anyways, right? More we had to focus on when customer has some complaints, that customer say, okay, they have got rotten eggs or whatever it is, right? So we have to make sure that we satisfy that customer, and that's where they get more time on this, instead of focusing on just taking the order from the customer. Reduction in repetitive order entry tasks. So because we have automated it, so they don't have to keep doing same orders again and again. So enhance customer satisfaction. So as we look into customers' history, what they search, and all those things, and then gather all those information, give it to the customer service team. That personalization is there for customer. So customer doesn't. Customer won't say, "Oh, I have ordered this tomato instead of that. You gave me that." So it's more personalized experience, as well as we do have decentralized team as well. That also helps, because region wise we do have a different customer expects different experience as well. Like we have got just yesterday we have got the call from the branch manager in Turanga, and he was like, customer wants to talk to just one specific number, they don't want to call to contact center number. So yeah, we have get that into omni channel as well, just redirected and all those things. But just what I'm saying, trying to say here is, everyone expects different personalization experience, branch to branch. Improve knowledge base accessibility, as all the data in one platform, they have very fast accessibility as well. But they got the call, email, all those things, they, as soon as they get it, they open it, accepts it, they get all the information related to customer at one place. Higher employee satisfaction, because there is not much complaints and accuracy increase, they don't have much issues there as well, they are happy, right? So team is happy as well, that okay, we are not making mistake, team leader is not complaining too much about it either, we are not getting too much credits, don't have to solve too many problems. Better upselling access rate. So yes, because of this we started giving recommendation that okay, we sell sugar, right? So we sell Chelsea sugar, but we also got our home brand sugar as well. So we can sell them, okay, just buy up the home brand, we'll give you a cheaper rate. So that's cross selling. Another thing is, like, sometimes what happens that there is a burger chain, right? And burger chain buys buns or something like that. So we found out, okay, this is a burger chain, they buy buns, they don't buy patties from us, they don't buy lettuce from us, let's ask them. So that kind of prompts we can give to our customer service team, and they can ask them. So over there we can increase the sell. And also after this as well we send it to the sales reps as well, that okay, look into this, these guys are not buying this stuff, so it's for their next best action. Solution implementation. So how and what we have implemented. So I think what I have already said it to you. So how we have implemented, right? So one of the very big challenge with us was that there was no one platform in the market which can do all of this for us, right? So one of the big challenge we had is that we had to gather too many different platforms to make it work. So we had Talkdesk, Salesforce, ERP, and all other platforms, plus integration plays very big role into this as well, right? So because everything needs to talk to each other as well. So we have done all those assessment, made a plan, and then gone through the implementation of that. So we had to do quite a bit of customization ourselves as well. Not one, as previous speakers said, that not one solution fits all of it, right? So, and yes, AI is also not from one platform. We have used AI technologies, we have used different AI technologies like transcription, all those things. We use Talktest, and Azure we have used for the recommendation engines and things like that, then Vertex AI and all those things. So we have used many platforms to make it work. Then another challenge with us, right? So as everyone needed a different experience, all branch and their customers also needed different experience. So how we deliver it? So we can't do the big bang on this one. So we had to go phased implementation, branch by branch. Every branch needed different kind of flows and how they wants to work with. So yes, we have done phased deployment as well of this, branch by branch as well. So two ways we have done its implementation. Then once implemented, it never finishing process, right? So you keep on improving, you keep on coming with new things, and you will get feedbacks from the team, and you just take that feedback, put it in pipeline, roadmap, and things like that. So yeah, then we have done we are still doing continuous optimization. Okay, so I think I did good in time. What future looks like at Service Foods, right? So AI integration. If, so we are trying to integrate with all POS systems in the market, third-party ordering system, and things like that. So what we can do with before chef thinks that okay they will need this, we will know that okay they will need tomorrow. We'll have their order ready. All they need to do is chef need to do is yes I want it, right, and then we'll ship it. So that's where we want to go, and yes we have started working towards it as well, and that will happen with agentic AI solutions, and I will show a little bit of small demo of it as well, not too much, and data driven insights. And we are working on the solution where we can query the data on natural language, right? So chefs can ask it, internal team can ask the data, they can ask data a question that they want, right? So that way we can improve and fast track many things. So I will ask a AV team to show us on chat on the data thing. So just this platform also support PDF, photo, so chefs can take a photo, upload it, and it will give them ingredients, what SKU in our catalog, and yes we are improving it, so it will give 2-3 different type of recommendation. Hold on. So it will give 2-3 different type of products as well. So then all they have to do is click add, and it will go on their platform. So ideally what will happen is that they will upload their menu will be there. They say okay I want, then next step, scroll down, next step will be scroll down, uh yeah, scroll down. Yes. So then they will say, okay, I am serving this many customer tomorrow, right? And it will just give that how much quantity they will need. And they just click on add button, and it will just add it in their cart, and from there they can process their order.
That's amazing to just be able to photograph a menu and it goes through an AI. I just think that's incredible.
Yeah. So that we are starting with our sales team first, then we will roll out to, because sales team will give us a feedback that it is giving right recommendation or not, and all those things, and then next step will be going into giving it to the customer. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Go back to presentation. Yep. Next step, I'll try to demonstrate quickly the voice agent. Sorry, it's a bit of to do from my laptop, so bear with me.
Can you please provide your email address?
It's deep@gmail.com.
You provided your email address as deep@gmail.com. Now, could you please tell me your name?
Deep.
You provided your name as Deep. Now, could you please provide your phone number?
Yeah, it's 0220
You please tell me the name of your business.
It's Deep's Cafe.
Okay.
I want to place order for 10 kg bag of potato.
Else you'd like to order from us today?
Can you please change my order back to 5 kg of bag and another 5 kg of agria potato instead?
Potatoes, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
When would you like your order of 5 kg agria potatoes to be delivered? Would you like it to be delivered today or at a later time, such as tomorrow, or maybe at a specific time like 6 p.m.?
I would like to have my order by tomorrow.
Updated your order to be delivered tomorrow. We will send you a confirmation once the order is processed, and you will receive a response. You'd like your order of 5 kg agria potatoes to be delivered tomorrow. We will make sure to have it delivered to you by 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Thank you. So, what this, if you might have seen, you might think that that's flow I have designed. No, I haven't designed that flow. When I have said it that, okay, I want to change my order, that was not in the flow at all, right? So it has just identified and made flow by itself. So it is agentic AI who is identifying what is my intent and then changing itself. Yeah. So now, next question and answer. Any questions? I finished 2 minutes early.
Must have some questions, I'm sure, but I'm going to start. Let me just come up there. See? So, no,
Yep,
I've got the
good.
mic. I've got the mic. I think we've got audio. Well, thank you. Incredible demonstration. Just, yeah, lots of mind-blowing aspects there. The hairs on the back of my neck go up. It's really good. Like so many aspects in your presentation that really grabbed it for me. I think you said also last night when we were talking, your 14,000 customers, you would expect like 14,000 of them to actually order every day. That's what you're actually prepared for.
Yes, all our customer orders almost every day because they need like milk, veggies, and all those things they need every day, right? So they are almost. We are asking them don't order every day, keep some in storage, but they also wants to save their storage space.
Right. So that whole scalability aspect is really important to you. They're suddenly all coming through. The AI aspect of the scalability is really important to you.
Yes, because of volume, we have to have automation and AI in the place. Otherwise, we'll keep on adding staff, and that cost finally will go on customer only.
Yeah. I loved how you said two things. There was still personalization for customers at a branch level. Sounded to me like massive work that you've put in, but incredible achievement for you as a company to achieve that personalization for your customers at a branch level. Is that something you can briefly talk a little bit more about? What that's taken?
Yeah, so one of the biggest thing is that we at IT team we had to go each and every branch and implement those solutions and made change as per their requirement of local environment, right? So Westport wants something differently and Auckland wants something differently, right? So SAF's requirement in Auckland is like everything I want right now, and Westport they're like, okay, I'm fine. So their customer service agent can relax back and then deliver their things.
Yeah. And that lovely personal human aspect of it when you said that the staff that had been released from the main role went into telesales. So that was just great. I think 50% of the staff too. So that was a really, really big number as well. So congratulations on the way that you've been able to help people change roles and you've kept them at ServiceFoods. Yeah, great achievement.
Thank you.
We've got time for one or two questions if there were any. And of course, Deep will be here, but we have Wendy here who's got a question. So let's hear from Wendy.
Hi, that was really quite interesting for us because we're a product organisation, so we're in the steel industry. So we have about 70,000 SKUs, but I was just kind of thinking about from a product perspective, is your AI able to kind of be able to identify whether they need to offer alternatives because it's a national entity? How does it might say, well, it's got that product down in that island. Is it a worthwhile kind of getting it to this island? Just all of those complexities around pulling an order together that not necessarily can come out of one location, or maybe that stock is not available.
Yeah, we do have similar situation. So yes, we look after like, for example, just giving an example that we got Toranga, Hamilton, or other branches as well. They might not stock everything. Auckland stock everything, right? So sometimes, yes, we when customer look for something, AI suggests them that, okay, on this branch, we have this option. If you want to pick it, pick it. If you want specific brand only, then you might have to go to the Auckland branch. And yes, we still take the order, and it splits the order into the system itself, automatically sends that order to the Auckland branch, and then Auckland branch ships that order to the customer.
Okay, and the second part of that is that obviously for some customers, there might be some what we call companion selling. So we want to kind of upsell, and we obviously, do you use that capability within AI as well?
So we don't have companion selling, because we don't have products like, if you are buying this, you also buy this, right? But what we do have is, if this kind of customers are buying, this are the items. Like for example, I have given burger chain, right? So if burger chain is buying specific type of items, then we have that. If any other burger chain calls us, then we say, okay, you will need this kind of item. So we keep top 200 items purchased in similar category, and that's how we recommend it.
Fantastic. Well, amazing presentation, Deep. Thank you. Could everyone just join with me and give thanks to Deep?